Hi, James. Dr. Jester here. Just wanted to touch base with you on your current events outline. So, you had revised the worldview outline due to the fact that I had instructed you had to have full sentences here. This needs to basically answer the questions. What I did, I wrote here, actually write the proper response to each point, one sentence. So, what is the proper response? In the beginning in the Christian worldview origins. Basically, the proper response is that God created the cosmos. He created the earth, all material and immaterial things he created. So I was looking at my instructions on the previous one, telling you to do that. I did look at your resubmission. Basically, you did provide full sentences, but you still are not answering the question. I go over to current events. So you've got a good topic, you provide a research question, you have a title, you've got a thesis statement. But again, the problem exists in your outline. You're telling me what you're going to write in your essay topic-wise, but you're not telling me the content. That's the whole point of the outline. So for example, dangerous and brutal practices. What are some dangerous practices? Why do some religions partake in brutal practices? Okay. But look, you've got what is baby tossing? Why is it practiced? What are the cultural influences that make it popular? Answer that. Go ahead and answer the question. Respond to it directly. Then fill in that information when you're actually writing your essay. So you want to name it, describe it, why the Christian worldview, not what does the Christian worldview, but how the Christian worldview actually responds to that. How is the Christian worldview significant? So go ahead. You're providing your answers now, which you will fill in a complete essay instead of an outline. So this provides your structure for the answers you're going to provide both now and completed in form there. So remember that. Again, I mean, your writing's good, everything else is good, but you're not really giving me any details. You're only asking questions about the practice. So you have to give the details of the practice. Anyway, I wanted you to be aware that we're still at that point. It's still not giving enough information. It's still just asking questions. Okay. So the outline is intent of showing me what some of your essay is going to include. All right. Blessings.